During the rotation, take one side step to the right while raising your left hand above the lady's head. Step, raise the hand, connect your feet, and place the lady's hand behind your neck using your left hand. Right hand goes on the lady's back on her shoulder blade. Make sure to shift your body weight onto your left leg before the next part. Let's now focus on the lady's perspective. You're going to rotate clockwise, starting with the right leg, left one, feet together, end up with your left side to the partner, placing your left hand behind his neck. You can place your right hand on the man's chest, like this, and we're going into the dip. First, bend the left knee, reach with your right leg backwards, shift your body weight onto the right leg, keep the right knee bent, left leg is straight in front of you. Direct your hips up while tilting your upper body backward, looking at the man. During the dip, it's very important not to pull the man with you while going into the position. Try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Now the men's part. Before the dip, you need to end up standing on your left leg. Bend the left knee, reaching with your right leg to the right side. You can place your left palm on top of the lady's palm. Bend the knee and switch your body weight onto the right leg. Keep the right knee bent, that's very important. Keep your back straight and tilt to the right side. Keep your right hand energized like you do in the frame to support the lady's back. While getting out of this position, push off the right leg and immediately rotate your body counterclockwise to lead the lady to the left. At this point, you already need to be holding the lady's hand before leading her rotation above her head.